Hey guys, today we're drawing Rudolph and my name's Chirag and I'm 5 years old. And Rudolph helps Santa deliver the presents and helps them get to the houses. Let's start. Okay, let's get started making that shape, the shape like a kind of a flat triangle shape. I'm gonna draw this line going a little bit down, because that's the actual thing that Rudolph has. I'm drawing a cartoon version of him, but now let's make a circle for his nose. Just like that. 2 like wrinkles for his mouth. Just like that. Connect his mouth to his nose. Just like that, it already kind of looks like Rita. It looks like the red Power Ranger, but now let's make his feet. You make a curved line going down. And just making a line going down like that. Then I'm gonna make that a little longer. Just like that. It's a curved line, but I just straight line instead. But the next step is to do that thing for his foot, like horses have. Just go a little bit up for his foot. Now draw like a curved line. We're gonna connect it to his other foot. Now let's draw his other foot. Like a line, like that. It's a curved line. A line just like that. But it's a U shape, not that shape. But just go that high, but that one goes too. I'm gonna make it a little longer. Pretend this line coming out to the other side. And like that. Then I'm gonna draw his other foot behind that foot. One foot almost done. And this foot, it's a little easy for me to do. Like that. You can do that too. So let's try this foot. My marker cap almost just fell. You can kind of see a line inside there. Now let's curve for his tail. And we're gonna connect it to there then. Okay, let's connect it. I'm gonna make a little dot right there. I'm gonna do that shape. Just like that. Then I'm gonna make his ears. We'll leave a little space for his ears. And there we go. There we have his ear. And there's something inside his ear, like we do. There's that shape for his other ear. Just draw that. Okay, now let's draw a line like that, connecting for the cartoon version. It looks like a baby horse now. There we go. Now let's draw his eye. Make a big line like that for his eye. You make a C inside. A this circle cheaply and color in this side. Just like that. Still looks like a baby pony to me. Still looks like a baby pony. Let's make his tail. We make a curve line going up and back down like that. And then just like that. It looks like a baby pony still to me. It looks actually pretty good. Let's connect this to there now, like that. For Rudolph. Now let's color him. Let's start with this color first. I know he is kind of brown. I can't make that brown. See how light that goes? Just like a reindeer. I mean, just like a pony. That looks so good. When this color is gonna be done, it's gonna be so good. That looks so good. So good. Oh my god. I'm never even gonna stop. Oh, that color looks so good in all of them. Just like that. Let's color. Wait, I forgot something to draw. His toes. That's okay. I can color that in. I color that in just now. That looks so good. Use my dark orange. I'm just going as my normal orange. I'm pressing it dark so it's this color. I don't know where I got this color from, but I have 1 million color pencils. And I have a box over there I can use. Is that real? Just like that. It looks so good. Now let's use our red. Just like that. Wait, I forgot something with our orange. This piece. There we go. I'm gonna draw back around too. I'm gonna draw some Christmas trees. Christmas tree. I'm gonna draw 2 lines going up. One line going outside. Line on top. I'm not actually very good making these Christmas trees. It actually looks so good. Look that Christmas tree. I'm gonna draw another Christmas tree. That's why I leave this line. Draw a diagonal line for the other Christmas curve. I'm gonna color this just white for the snow. I can do some shading in those trees. With that, some on this side. I'm gonna just draw 1 on this side. This touches Rudolph. I'm like his tail. And Rudolph's really cool. Really cool. I watched some Santa movies sometime. That Christmas tree looks, it's about to fall. That's okay. I made this part a little big like this and fix that. There we go. It actually looks so good. I'm gonna make some snow falling off. It actually looks so good. Wait a second. Need my black for 1 second. Here we go. Next color. I'm gonna leave the top part white because there's snow falling off. Oops, I kind of colored in red, that's okay. There we go. I'm gonna make some little bit more snow on this tree. Some right there. Some right there. There we go. Dude, that one looks like a shark tooth. Now let's get my green. This reader looks so cool. Look at this rice. I kind of colored in. And I guess that's it. Please like and subscribe my channel if you're watching for the first time. Bye.